Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Apple hints at major Siri intelligence overhaul ahead of WWDC 2026. Apple has sparked significant anticipation for WWDC 2026 by dropping subtle hints regarding a massive AI-driven transformation for Siri. Recent developer documentation and interface thesis suggests the virtual assistant will soon leverage deep generative AI to handle complex multi-step tasks and provide more natural, context-aware responses. This shift aims to move Siri beyond basic voice commands into a proactive personal coordinator integrated across the Apple ecosystem. These updates signal Apple's intent to aggressively compete in the generative AI space, prioritizing on-device processing and user privacy. Zoho CEO Sridhar Vembu urges engineers to master domain expertise to survive the AI era. During a recent internal address, Zoho founder Sridhar Vembu advised engineers to pivot from general coding to becoming deep domain experts to remain relevant as AI evolves. Vembu emphasized that while AI can efficiently handle routine programming and syntax, it lacks the nuanced understanding of specific industries like finance, healthcare, or manufacturing. He argued that future job security lies in the ability to apply technological solutions to complex real-world business problems. By focusing on specialized knowledge, engineers can provide the strategic insights that AI cannot yet replicate. Iran's internet blackout reaches 50-day milestone amid ongoing tensions. According to Network Monitor NetBlocks, Iran's nationwide internet shutdown has officially entered its 50th day, marking one of the longest and most severe digital blackouts in recent history. The disruptions have crippled digital communications and restricted the flow of information as authorities maintain tight control over connectivity. Experts warn that the prolonged outage is severely impacting the local economy, disrupting businesses, and isolating citizens from the global community. The situation remains a critical focal point for international human rights observers monitoring digital sovereignty and freedom of expression. Jio unveils affordable Rs 149 plan with bundled JioHotstar subscription. Reliance Jio has launched a disruptive new prepaid recharge plan priced at Rs 149 aimed at enhancing digital entertainment for its vast user base. This budget-friendly offering provides a full 30-day validity and includes a complimentary subscription to the JioHotstar streaming platform. Designed for high-volume data consumers, the plan features daily high-speed data quotas alongside unlimited voice calling and SMS benefits. By bundling premium content with essential connectivity, Jio continues to strengthen its competitive edge in the Indian telecom market, making premium streaming accessible to a broader audience. Vercel confirms internal security breach linked to third-party AI tool. Vercel's CEO has confirmed an internal data breach after hackers claim to have stolen sensitive information, reportedly seeking $2 million for the cash. The incident has been traced back to a vulnerability in a third-party AI integration used within the company's development environment. While Vercel has moved to secure its systems and rotate affected credentials, the event highlights growing security risks associated with enterprise AI adoption. The company is currently working with forensic experts to determine the full scope of the exposure and protect its global developer community. Vercel Apple tests intuitive new productivity features for upcoming iOS 19. Update Apple is reportedly testing two subtle yet significant interface enhancements for iOS 19 aimed at refining user daily workflows. The first feature introduces a streamlined snooze option for system-wide notifications, allowing users to temporarily silence alerts with more granular control directly from the lock screen. The second update focuses on the control center, testing a customizable quick action toggle that provides one-tap access to frequently used accessibility tools. These refinements demonstrate Apple's ongoing commitment to incremental usability improvements, prioritizing reduced friction and enhanced personalization within its mobile ecosystem. Today's AI tool is TicNote Cloud. The professional bot-free AI meeting assistant TicNote Cloud redefines meeting productivity by eliminating awkward AI bots. Using a Chrome extension or web capture, it records Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet sessions discreetly, bypassing security concerns and host restrictions. It offers 98% transcription accuracy across 120 plus languages and features 100 plus specialized templates for sales, interviews, and stand-ups. Beyond standard summaries, TicNote generates mind maps and research reports, creating an interconnected second brain knowledge base. With optional hardware for offline use, it is an essential tool for professionals seeking streamlined, secure, and professional-grade documentation. Today, our lead story is about Anthropic launches, Claude Design, market shift impacts Adobe and Figma stocks. Anthropic has introduced Claude Design, a specialized AI model capable of generating high-fidelity UI/UX layouts and vector graphics from simple text prompts. Following the announcement, shares for creative giants Adobe and Figma experienced a notable decline as investors weighed the impact of increased competition. Analysts suggest that Claude's ability to automate complex design hierarchies directly threatens traditional subscription-based creative suites. This launch signals a shift in the industry, where generative AI is moving from simple image creation to professional-grade, functional design infrastructure, challenging established market leaders. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.